This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kristen Markovich. Gated Redland estate on over half-acre. Step into this immaculate home with sweeping 12.5 feet ceilings appointed with crown molding throughout living area. Generous size bedrooms with split bedroom floor plan. Double doors guide you into the master suite with access to patio, spacious walk-in closet, and sizable bath with water closet. Inviting formal dining and living area allows ample entertaining space. Kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances flows into family room and creates the ideal living space. Screened patio leads to pool with jacuzzi. Private backyard on corner lot with only one side neighbor. Lots of fruit trees and side gate for easy access for your boat or RV. Air conditioner and water heater recently replaced. Just 30 minutes to the Keys. Florida living at its finest. Schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Kristen Markovich at 305-613-4379.